Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade with AI power tool ChatGPT plus trader bot. Well, before I was traded with that and I like the results, so I'm going to trade with it again. Before I saw that one blogger was trading with that and I was thinking why not to try, because it's something new, something interesting, and I'm the type of person who always like to try new things. So guys, I decided to try it, and that's how I keep trading using this. Guys, just quick reminder that I don't use blindly hints of this bot, because guys, first of all goes technical analysis, and only then, as a confirmation of my own technical analysis, I will use signals from its chatbot. If they contradict with each other, I will pass such situations. So guys, as simple as that. By the way, this chatbot is totally for free, and you're also free to try this out if you are curious and interested in that. And so guys, let's jump in and find the first setup. So guys, here at the top we have a resistance level. At the same time, we can see that the price has reached this level, and also there was a reaction at the level. The price stopped and entered the correction zone. Right now there is a pullback in the opposite direction. Last time the price was also approaching this level, there was a squeeze, but the price failed to break through this level and there was a pullback down. It is likely that this time there will be a rollback. Well, now let's try to make a request from the bot for this currency pair. Now I'm going to Telegram channel to the bot. Then I press the receive signal. After that, the bot sends you a list of currency pairs to choose from, and we find currency pair we need from the list and click on it. And as you can see guys, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal for 5 minutes to go down. Well, I fulfill the specified conditions, set the time to 5 minutes and press the red button. Guys, as you can see, the bot has confirmed our technical analysis. It also assumes that the price will move down in the near future. We will try to make money on this downward movement. By the way, the bot always sends signals for a period of 5 minutes and calculates further price movements for this expiration time. Therefore, when analyzing the market, I also take this in my mind, and I'm also trying to predict the further movement of the chart of the next 5 minutes. Guys, this is the way we'll try to trade today. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Well guys, that's amazing. The price continued to move down, and as you can see, it really pushed off from the resistance level. I have managed to earn on this movement. Also, the chatbot turned out to be right. It gave us a good entry point, and as you can see guys, the chatbot's hints combined with technical analysis works well. So guys, it's our first profit, and let's continue guys. Okay, here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. There is also a support level at the bottom. After touching this level, there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs have recently been getting lower. That is at the moment there is some kind of preloading of the level. It is likely that the price will continue to move down. Guys, now let's try to make a request from the bot for this currency pair. Then we find the desired currency pair and click on it, and here the chatbot offers us to open a deal down. Okay, I agree with the bot and click the red button. It is likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Guys, I hope that 5 minutes here will be totally enough when taking into account that if the price falls into the correction zone or pullback occurs in the opposite direction. Well, I hope that this time will be enough for us, and so my dears, let's wait for the outcome. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. Okay guys, the price got into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. But in any case, the closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. This means that we got the profit, and in fact our technical analysis turned out to be correct. The chatbot also gave us a good entry point, and guys, the most important here that we were able to earn money. Guys, let's continue. So guys, let's set up a horizontal line with you on the upper values of the candlesticks on the left. We determine a certain level of resistance here. We can see that at the moment the price has pushed off from this level and is moving down. But at the same time, the main price lows are getting higher. That is, the price here has a good potential to increase, and it is likely that this level will be broken in the next 5 minutes. Now, let's try to make a request from the bot for this currency pair. Let's go to the Telegram channel bot, click the receive signal button. We find the currency pair we need and click on it, and here the chatbot offers us to open a deal up. Well, let's fulfill specified conditions. I press the green button. The chatbot also assumes that the price will move up in the next 5 minutes. Well, guys, now let's observe the price and see how this deal will close. Well guys, that's pretty good. After a slight pullback, the price nevertheless turned around and continued to move towards level. Guys, we managed to make money on this movement. In fact, the chatbot turned out to be right. As we can see, the price has really good potential to go up, and I have correctly predicted the further price movement. Guys, let's continue our trading session. So guys, rewinding the chart a little to the left, we see that we have a certain level of support here at the bottom. And at the moment, a downtrend is forming, the price is moving down and approaching our level. At the same time, there is still room to reach the support level. The main price highs are also getting lower, and the price has a good downward potential. So now let's make a request from the bot. Go to the Telegram channel to the bot, click the receive signal button. We find the currency pair we need in the list and click on it, guys. And here the chatbot offers us to open a deal down. Well, I have fulfilled the specified conditions and pressed the red button. It is more likely that the price will continue to move in downward trend. We will try to make money on this downward movement, guys. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, there was a deep pullback up, but after that downward movement continued and we got the profit here. We managed to work with you on this movement. 5 minutes was just enough for us. Well, I suggest that we continue trading. Guys, rewinding the chart slightly to the left, we see that we have a certain maximum here. Let's set a horizontal line along the upper values of this candle. So we can also see that there is a steady uptrend at the moment and the price is approaching the level. Guys, at the same time, there is still room to reach the resistance level. It is likely that the uptrend will continue to exist. Well, now let's make a request from the bot. Click the receive signal button. We'll find the currency pair we need in this list and click on it. Guys, here the chatbot offers us to open a deal to buy. Well, I agree with the bot and click the green button. Guys, it is on this upward movement along the uptrend that we will now try to make money. I hope that 5 minutes here will be totally enough for us, guys. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Guys, there was some kind of continuation. The price stopped and got into the trading zone. Nevertheless, the upward movement continued and I have managed to earn on this moment. 5 minutes was just enough for us, guys. In fact, the chatbot turned out to be right. So let's continue trading. Guys, here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. Also, after touching the support level, there was an upward pullback. Now, after the pullback, the price has turned around and is approaching our level again. At the same time, we see that the price also has a good downward potential. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. Well, now let's make a request from the bot. Click the receive signal button. We will find the currency pair we need and click on it. Great. Here the bot offers us to open a deal down. Well, we fulfill the specified conditions and press the red button. Guys, for sure, the price will continue to move down to the support level. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money here. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, that's pretty good. The price moves in waves. Nevertheless, the movement towards the level continued and we got the profit here. Once again, I have correctly predicted the further movement of the chart. The bot also helped us with this. Indeed, in most cases, such trading situations work well for themselves. So let's continue. Here we see that there was a downtrend. There is also a support level at the bottom. After touching this level, there was an upward pullback. And guys, it is likely that in the near future after the pullback, the price will reverse and continue to move towards the level, because we see that the price here also has a good downward potential. Well, now let's go to the Telegram channel to the bot, click the receive signal button, we find the currency pair we need in the list and click on it, guys. Here the chatbot offers us to open a deal down. Well, I agree with the bot and click the red button. And as you can see, guys, the bot also assumes that the downward movement is expected in the near future. So now we'll try to make money on this downward movement. And I hope, guys, that this time 5 minutes will be totally enough for us. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, it's not bad. The price really turned around and continued to move towards the level, so I have managed to earn on this movement. Guys, 5 minutes was just enough for us, and so let's continue, guys. Here, guys, we have a level of support from below. At the same time, we can see for ourselves that the main price highs are getting lower. At the moment, there has been an upward pullback, and it is likely that after the pullback, the price will reverse and continue moving towards the level. Now, let's go to the Telegram channel, to the bot, and click the receive signal button. Guys, we will find the currency pair we need and click on it. And as you can see here, the bot offers us to open the deal down. Okay, I agree with the bot and click the red button. Guys, it also suggests that the downward movement is expected in the near future. Right now, we can see that after the upward pullback, a red candle has begun to form, meaning the price is already starting to reverse and move down. Also, the price maximum becomes lower than the previous ones. This means that the trend of updating price highs remains. The price is approaching the support level. This trading situation reminds me of technical analysis figure of descending triangle. This is when the price lows are formed at a horizontal level and price highs are formed along a downtrend line. This is how the technical analysis figure of the descending triangle is formed. Guys, as you understand, the price is pushing off from the downtrend line and moving down. I think that a similar movement will happen in the near future in this situation. It is also quite possible that there will be a logical exit from this figure. For example, there will be a breakdown of the support level and the price will continue to move further. So this development of this situation is quite possible here. Guys, let's wait for the outcome. Okay guys, that's not bad. As you can see, the price has indeed continued its downward movement. The support level was also broken. Guys, there was a logical exit from this figure, so I have managed to earn on this moment. 5 minutes was enough for us. And guys, in the meantime, I already have more than $10,000 on my deposit, so I suggest we leave at that. And this is the ending of our trading session. Every time I tell you that it's a really great combination of the signals of this chatbot and technical analysis. As you can see, we were able to earn profit today thanks to this chatbot. But don't forget that you shouldn't follow this chatbot blindly and you have to know how it works. So only then you will be able to make right decisions. Guys, this chatbot is totally for free, and if you want to try this, I will leave the link down below and you can check it out. Anyway guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was useful for you. Guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so you will be the first to see my next video. So guys, stay sharp out there and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!